Hi, welcome to Pixelhue's In Focus conversation. We're here to discuss all the products, hype, and everything that's going great. Just had so much interest. It's been wonderful to be here. I personally, my name is Sherry Sturm. As I said, I've been in this industry for a long, long time, almost 30 years. I've seen a lot of products, I've seen a lot of things. Also was in charge of system integrations for a big rental house and touring as well. So I know the gear pretty well, and this is impressive. So I'm really glad about this. And Dave?
And I'm glad to be here with you. I'm a 30-plus year veteran, I like to say, of the event industry, and I've been doing mainly screen management switching for the last 20 years of that and media servers. My most recent and long-time experience is with these products, the exact products that Pixelhue is showing. And I'm so excited about these products because these are the products that are the software and the hardware combination that I've been looking for in other manufacturers' products. They've come out and they've hit at a perfect time and a perfect season in the industry, coming out of COVID and live events exploding. And when I saw these, I was just so excited because they have all the feature set and the hardware to go along with it that is right where the industry needs to be.
And I'm with M2 event group, and we've helped a lot with the development of screens management switcher, and we use it on every show. I mean, we do all kinds of big corporate shows. Do 300-foot of LED in high res, and this is what can handle it without stacking and daisy chaining and everything like that. And we've built our flypacks on that as well, around that, where everything is EtherCon or fiber, and we just roll in, wait for the screens to go up, and light it up. So it's been a blessing for us, and we just feel it should be how it goes in the industry, for us.
And I'm just a freelance operator. I switch on these products every day, and I'm excited about it. The hype is real on Pixelhue, and I'm excited to be here with you. And we are just sharing the word, spreading the word about these products. They've got the best bang for the buck, the newest technology, they're future-proof, they're coming out, they're staying ahead of the curve in the competition in every way that I'm seeing. Software picks up. If you operate competitors' products and you try to switch over to this, it's going to flow seamlessly. You're going to jump right in and know where you're going to be.
Yeah.
And it's modern.
And I think the thing for us that we were really excited about was the 2110, and that option to have fiber, I think is fantastic. And they're working on, we're able to ingest cameras and stuff like that with Pixelhue right now, and then they're working on outputting it so that we can record. That will be a game changer, because then you're talking about one switcher for screen management and production, which has not been done before. So that to me is really exciting.
Fiber is the future. As soon as we transition to 4K 60, copper cables have to get really short to work. And so being able to have fiber, and fiber is in every one of the P and Q series products for the outputs. And now they're putting inputs cards for the Q series. So we're excited. They've got a 25 megabit, 100 megabit cards, and multiple 100 megabit cards, 2 different models of that. So it's going to be great for just rolling in, connecting, no matter, if you got to put one section, disparate parts of an arena or a football stadium, or wherever you're landing, you can run fiber there with no distance limitations.
And the customers really appreciate it, because it, instead of 2 days of setup or 3 days of setup, we're literally talking about hours now coming in because of the engineering we've done with Pixelhue. Pixelhue has been able to make our lives a lot easier, and easier to build the flypacks to come in. And now the question is how long do you want your fiber cable? And that's
exactly.
it. That's it.
And you guys have have been very active in providing feedback
Yeah.
to Pixelhue, and they're very responsive. They turn right around, and when
Yep.
you put in a request, they're making the changes. So they're
Yeah.
adaptive, they're moving quickly, but they're very stable, and it's already here. Their software is multi-generational already. They're just great products. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm excited about it.
That's why we're all here.
Yeah, that's why we're all here. And what else do we want to talk about, Pixelhue? I mean, I've seen some amazing things in the booth, things that aren't in any other booths with any other vendor, that some are current, some are in future roadmap. So Pixelhue is not only the best thing out there in a lot of ways right now, but they're going to stay ahead of the competitors.
Yeah, that's right.
And things
Right,
I'm
yeah.
seeing here, the competitors haven't even started dreaming about.
Exactly.
So,
yeah.
some of the 2110 integration, moving up into the higher HDMI flavors
Yeah.
and DisplayPort flavors. Their consoles are second to none. I mean, there's not a sexier console. Even their lower end console is the sexiest console in its class. And then you step up to this. I mean, there's not even a lighting console that is as beautiful as this console. Been making pretty consoles forever.
That's right.
So Pixelhue's where it's at. The excitement's real. They're showing linking and redundancy all the way to the processors.
Yep.
Is working, and I've seen it here at the booth on the very first day. They've got new products. The P80's exciting over your shoulder there.
Yep.
It's blowing the competition away. It's here. It's working. It's live. M2.
We use it on every show we do.
Absolutely.
Every show, every festival, every tour. We wouldn't do it without it.
It's
you know?
road proven.
Yep.
It's stable.
Yep.
It can take the abuse of the road. I'm in the rentals and staging market myself. We're loading in a different place every night,
Yeah.
just like you are, but we're rolling it and hooking it all together and going from scratch every time. And these products work great.
Yep, absolutely. I wouldn't have it any other way.
Exactly. That's
And
why,
I'm
that's
glad
why
to
we're
have you
psyched.
aboard helping
that's-
us. So
We want to
it's
work
good.
with the best stuff, and we're glad to have the opportunity to do so with Pixelhue.
Yep, absolutely.